bench and desk sets have been distributed across schools. This year too, we shall be providing student monthly scholarship amounting to over 65,000 rural students and engaging over 1,028 teachers for rural India. My wife, Srimati Hemavati Hegde, impactful initiatives called Jnana Vikasa program focuses on educating the mother of these rural children to ensure thereby continued education of children with minimal school out dropouts. To inaugurate Sri Sanidhya Kavya Complex and to kickstart the Jnanadeepa educational program for 2025, we have amidst us a very special dignity, His Excellency, the Honorable Vice President of India, a man with no ego, so down to earth, so polite, and yet so graceful and striking. In May 2023, I learned that Sri Jagadeep Ji had gone all the way to Kerala to meet his mathematics teacher there. And the teacher was aged 83 years, and she was so proud to see her student become the second citizen of the country. And her words that this was the best Guru Dakshina I got. She ever got from any student who is heart-touching. All along during the course of my Rajya Sabha sessions, I have been always fascinated by born in a small village called Kitna in Rajasthan. Sri Jagdeep ji rose to assume the office of governor in 2019. He was elected as the 14th Vice President of India in 2022 and holds the unique position of being the first Vice President to be born after India became a republic in 1950. Sir, your humble disposition and the remarkable contributions to our motherland have inspired many and will continue to make significant impact for the present and future generations. We are honored to extend a hearty welcome to Sri Jagdeep Dhankar ji and to Honorable Vice President India. Welcome, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to the Second Lady of India, Srimati Sudesh Dhankar ji. I am glad to note that Madam has done an insightful study on the groundwater conservation in Rajasthan, for which she was confirmed doctorate. Srimati Sudesh ji has been source of inspiration on every moment of Sri Jagdeep ji's life. We respectfully extend a hearty welcome to you, Madam. I also take this opportunity to welcome all the other dignitaries present here. I welcome the administrative officials from both central and state governments. I welcome our Lok Sabha member, Sri Rajesh Chowta ji, to this function. All staff members, media and others who have assembled here to witness the mega event. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ